in Cairo summer. I'm having some purchases from IKEA and I'm going to load it into the car just to show how practical it is. So let me just lay down the back seat. These are my purchases. I needed both hands to lay down the back seat, that's why I stopped recording. And now I'm going to enter my new furniture from IKEA. Should probably start with the boxes and then the cushions. So I'm removing the cushion and I will. Okay, and there's no harm in putting the cart next to the car because this is plastic, so it's not going to scratch. So I'm going to trying to do it in one hand and film with the other. There's a wide angle here. I hope I didn't break anything in the. By the way, the car is now about 7 months and 9,000 kilometers, and it's still great. It's still really amazing. I'm going to do a video on, and here is my IKEA coffee still on the roof. Let me return the cart. So this is my 7-month-old 9,000 kilometer Seagull.